Hello guys, this is Jonathan and I'm here to talk to you about anime.
やめてください.
Oinjan. Njani. You're the same ones who give us a bad name as anime watchers. This same stuff, this.
So today is the deadline for early bird tickets. So if you haven't gotten your early bird ticket, you can go and register. And if you haven't registered, you can just check out the website for registration on our Nerd Otaku bio. Then again guys, it's anime, so it's going to be packed with fun, loads of games, lots of cool people. So bring your cousins, bring your friends, bring your little sisters, nephews, nieces, anyone you can drag. And remember, the standard deadline for registration and buying of tickets is on the 16th of April, so you still have time.